Hey my Nikki Charmers, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to my channel. So as promised, today's video is me revamping this balloon garland that I did over Cinco de Mayo, and we're creating a balloon wall. Also, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as I post weekly. Here I am taking my balloon clusters apart and checking the condition of the balloons since it's been up for over a month. Some of them are soft, so I'm taking them out because that's not what we want. So I just went through all the clusters and just checked the conditions of each balloon to see which one I can reuse and which one I just need to add some more air into. For the balloons I'm reusing, I'm actually just pulling them apart using a chopstick, and then I'm just filling more air into it and untying it just so they're no longer soft. So I'm just adding more air in and blowing it up the normal way I would blow up a balloon and release air and create clusters as I would normally do. And that's how I revived my balloon clusters that I've had up for a while. And we continue to inspect all the clusters until all of them are in good shape. Some of the balloons actually popped, so I just added new balloons in with the clusters of balloons that I already had. This can be a little time consuming, but I wanted to show you guys how I can revamp a balloon garland and turn it into a balloon wall. This was a mock-up balloon installation that I was just doing to practice around the house. But for a balloon job, I would normally use fresh balloons. Since my balloon installation was up for over a month, this is the process I have to do. But if it was sooner, I would just go straight into creating the balloon wall. Once I was finished, I went ahead and blew up extra clusters because I know it's needed for this balloon wall since it is a huge wall. And here I am zoning out per usual. And for this balloon wall, I wanted to add accent balloons into it. So I'm using marble stuffed inside of green, and it came out to a pretty color. Oh, look at that pretty color, that pretty marble. So I created about 4 to 5 clusters of this pretty accent color. And once I was done with that, I decided I wanted another accent color. So I decided to use Qualitex cheetah balloon inside of a hot pink balloon. This custom color turned into a cute hot pink cheetah balloons. And mixing them with the marble green, it just gave me a whole watermelon vibe, which was cute. Now that I have all my clusters formed, I'm just tying the necks of the clusters to create one long garland to form around the hoop. And if you want to see the necktie method of forming a garland, you should check out my other tutorials. I show you step by step. So I'm just forming mini garlands using 4 clusters, and then I'm just gonna tie them all together to form a whole long garland at the end. Once I form my long garland, now I can connect it to the hoop stand. It is a little challenging to connect it to the hoop stand, but I actually had to take apart the garland in the middle just so I can connect it correctly. And even with that long garland, it still wasn't enough balloons. Creating a balloon wall can take a lot of balloons, so be mindful. And once the outer circle was done, I just started adding clusters into the middle of the balloon wall, just to fill spaces. And for this wall, I required a lot of 260 balloons just to tie every cluster into place. Once you get the technique down, it's fairly easy to create a balloon wall. It's just a little time consuming since it is a lot of balloons. And this is the end result of filling spaces and creating a basic balloon wall, but we're not done. It's detailing time. I'm just creating mini clusters so I can add in my filler balloons into the wall. I'm also adding in 5-inch mini garlands as well. And here comes the fun part, the detailing, where you put your artistry to the test. And I'm just adding my mini clusters in where I see fit. And during this process, you always want to step back and just take a look at your design just to see how you like it and fix it accordingly. And watching this makes me feel like I'm trying to figure out a puzzle. And here's the results after detailing, but we're still not done. I went ahead and added some florals just to give it a little more extraness that it needed, and it looks so beautiful. And this is the perfect backdrop for a photo booth. Whether it was a tropical or pool party, it would be amazing. And you see the watermelon vibe I'm talking about? It was just perfect. And you know I couldn't finish this video off without giving you a little fashion haul. All outfits are from ASOS. I will link them in the description box below. And tell me in the comments which outfit you like the best. Outfit 1, 2, or 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, tell me how you liked it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your notification bells. Until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.